Okay, what about right now? Okay, my friends, at this moment, please write about sound because I just added it. Okay, good. Hello. I write your feedback and after that we would start. Uh, okay, good. At this moment, as you can see, I already had sent ideas about EURUSD and gold on TradingView. Many of you had asked me about EURUSD, why I think about uprise. As I told to you, uh, uh, right now open TradingView page because there you will find that info about why EURUSD would rise. There I sent really good idea. On Saturday about EURUSD background noise. Okay, can hear. Okay. My friend, once more about background noise. Still, it will not work the best. I would try to make it lower because I'm out of city and I don't use the best microphone. That's why I can hear, but there is lot of background noise. My friends, my apology. Can hear good. Okay, we should start our weekly market forecast because yes, there are problems with sound. But my friends, once more, I'm out of the city and will not be able to change something at this moment. First, as you can see on S&P 500, price at this key level by 5th January, huge possibility 8th January. A huge possibility when price will break it, there would be a good up price after that. Okay, let's go from the most important instruments. USD, British Pound, major currency pairs. After that, we will do indexes and major cryptocurrency pairs. If you have some instrument or you have a question, you should write to me and to my team. You should write to me and ask all the questions which you have. At this moment, I would send to you contacts where you should write about that. Always stop after 10 seconds. Increase your sound. The background increased my sound. Write please, is it good or not? Once more, many of you will ask me about good transfer broker and about other stuff. Here it's a contact of me and my team. You will be able to write here, ask anything about participation, about cooperation, signals, something like that. Also, for those of you who need a good and trustful broker, get these contacts. Take these contacts. That's the contacts of best broker which I personally use. Okay, let's start from gold. At this moment, as you can see, gold inside of this range. I can delete all of this and can show to you that gold at this moment close to this key level, and I believe that after breakout, price will continue. Why? Because global trend is bullish, and still there is no reason why the price should change its trend. There is no reason. Local trend up, news up, Federal Reserve System print huge amount of money. Everything shows to us that with huge possibilities there would be powerful uprise. That's why follow the money and don't believe in some shit which other people send to you. Okay, what questions? Hi. Right place, Artyom, right place about quality of the video because I understand that there are some problems. That's why, my friends, once more about gold. Gold after breakout with huge possibility will continue because the price inside of uptrend, powerful uptrend, and there's still no reason why that should change. Also, as you can see, example for you here, how accurately price bounced and after that broke it. The same could happen here. Increase volume. Okay, I will increase the volume. At this moment I increase volume. I hope it would be better because for me it's important to decrease the noise which I have outside. That's why I just friends, type please, is it clear about gold or you need something additional? About EURUSD, once more, here as you can see on EURUSD, we have this powerful key level accumulation. At this moment, this price already rose up 62p. But what can I tell you? If that will not happen today, with huge, as you can see, euro is still in powerful uptrend, and there is no reason why the trend should change. I don't see the reasons. That's why if price today will not hit that level, think only about buy and accurate buy entries, because with huge possibility it will continue uptrend. British pound USD, at this moment price rose up nearly full ATR, even more than one ATR. As you can see, ATR 94 pips, price already rose up far more than that. At this moment we have this key level from which price bounced here and here, even this daily candle also bounced. If the price will close at that high or will break it, close above, tomorrow there could be a good buy entry. With huge possibility after breakout up, it will be a good entry. It will create a mirror level at this point. Swiss franc. Swiss franc, as I told to some of my VIP members, I remember I sent it to my VIP student, this trading plan that I would open sell or after breakdown. As you can see, trend global still down. After this trap, price came back to down. With huge possibility downtrend will continue. There is no reason to think about something other. Is there a good chance for air? What do you mean? Is there a good chance for EURUSD to reach 1.16? Yes, with huge possibility that will happen. With really big percentage currency pairs, price approaching to key level, with huge possibility after breakout there could be a good buy entry. The same Australia, price slowly approaching. At this moment I think only breakout of this key level can create a good powerful up rise. Example for you of good and powerful key level is false breakout and breakout that could be powerful continue. Another one about Canadian a little bit different than other currency pairs because it depends on oil completely, but still as you can see we have powerful downtrend, and if price will come back below as Swiss franc did, that also will create a powerful about UK oil, huge possibility. All of this, as you can see, UK oil bounced from all of this key levels so many times, and at this moment it is so big accumulation. If UK oil will come back and break out at least this cap, it's a minimum. About USD Japanese yen, at this moment I stay away from USD Japanese yen because it is not clear what to do because of this range. There is no reason to do something with that. Okay. Hey, what are your thoughts on British Pound Australia for next 2 days? I open a buy after if tested the previous support level. I am currently 50 pips and want your opinion on the market for the week. About British Pound Australia. You open a buy. First, it's important to see what was your entry place. You told after retested. Still, I don't understand what you mean. At this moment, as you can see, yes, price broke up this trend line. What for you is important? If you open a position, you told me 50 pips. At something like at that point, but price already rose up far more than 1 ATR. I recommend you as soon as possible close part of position, for example like 30-40% of your volume which you have, and after another part set stop loss in a place where if price will hit it you will be in break even. For example, you open a position at one lot and you close half of that position with 50 pips profit, and you can set stop loss in 50 pips minus 50 pips, because even if price will hit it, still you will not lose money, and just hold it, because after such breakout of trend line, there could be something like this. Price, as you can see, broke trend line and made a powerful move from 79 to 81.96, nearly price rose up nearly 400 pips. That's why that also can happen, but still you don't know what will be. Will price rise up, or there would be something like this and only after that rise? There always could be some retest, something like that. That's why it's important to close part and set stop loss in wise place. Type any thoughts on Canadian Swiss franc. Friends, type into the chat what currency pair would you like to see, would you like me to analyze, because we covered major currency pairs, and after that we will go to indexes and crypto. Canadian Swiss franc, as you can see, after powerful pump, price didn't rise. This moment we have this key level from which, as you can see, paranormal candle. And what can happen? Also, this candle can create continue trend didn't started. As you can see, it's here. Cancel. At this moment, price failed to start this uprise. Think about sell after breakout of this key level. Any thoughts on Euro Japanese Swiss franc go below 0.96? With huge possibility, price will go even lower, because everything looks like because powerful trend. After this accumulation, we have powerful trend down, every higher lower and lower. There is no reason for uprise. What other questions do you have, my friends? Right now, just type it into a chat. Okay, let's do a major instrument, something like DAX index. DAX index, as you can see, I made a closer retest, and with huge possibility price will break down this key level, with huge possibility, and breakout of this key level can create a continual down drop. That's why with huge possibility, when price will continue down drop, all other currency pairs against USD will become stronger. DAX dollar index showed to us that with huge possibility down drop will continue. Okay. About indexes, let's speak about two major indexes, German index and S&P 500. Because if you would take a look on German index, you would see here that the price completely bullish. Price still in this upward trend. Price broke up this previous high, and I believe that the price will continue its uprise. That's why after some pullback you can open buy. Another one, Euro 50 index, the same triangle, and the same stuff here on S&P 500 index. I recommend you after this analysis watch it, and because you will be able to see it. As you can see, the same many daily candles bounce it, and breakout of this can create a good uprise to this all history high of S&P 500. Friends, type into the chat what questions do you have at this moment, and what instruments would you like to see. I understand that something with video quality can be worse, that's why. Okay, let's go. Okay. We did it, and a few words about crypto, about Bitcoin. I don't like Bitcoin because, as you can see, Bitcoin inside of this stuff, and for me it is not clear and not interesting even to watch on it, because it is not good to trade, even think how to trade it, because Bitcoin inside there is nothing, there is no move. I don't know what big players do at this moment, because such triangle big players create especially for all of us, because after this the huge possibility it will start uptrend, but at this moment there is nothing to do. My entry at 79.53 79.53 on USD. Now I'm going British pound system. Your entry at 79.53. At this moment you have 100 pips. 79.53. If it is your entry place, that's good. Close part of position, you would have 100 pips, close like 30% of position, and after that set stop loss below this tail, and that's all. Hold this position, you open entry in good place. That's all. My friends, at this moment also what I can tell you, we have a free course, free trading course for freshers. It would be awesome for you. What you will get, because many of you, when you start your trading career, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to trade. At this moment, as you can see, we have this here, this link. I recommend you right now open it and subscribe, because as you can see, it is our online workshop where I will teach you how to start your trading career properly. Why it's important? Because many of you, when you start your trading career, you don't know what to do, how to trade, and all of that stuff. At this moment, as you can see, it would be 5 lessons, 1 lesson per day, where you will learn such important questions about market, like difference between all markets, risks. I'll show you examples of 2 traders. One lost nearly 140k of USD, another one lost 200k of USD. Third lesson: how much do you need to become a profitable trader? Time. I will show you all cycles which you will go through, all skills which you need to learn. How to choose a good trustworthy broker. Because example, a few weeks ago, one man from United Kingdom wrote to me, he lost 100k pounds because broker scammed him. And it's important to learn how to identify scammers, and I will teach you here. And the next one, it is about strategy, because most of the people lose money because you don't have strategy. And on day number 5, I will teach you strategy. That's why right now you should open that link, you should subscribe right now in comments, and below in that video in description you will find a link on that stream, on that free masterclass, free webinar. Okay, show British pound, Japanese yen. British pound, Japanese yen with huge possibility will go for after British pound USD, because Japanese yen in huge range, and as you can see, a key level, price made false breakout, accumulation, price go on close retest. It will follow British pound USD only. That's all. USD Canadian, New Zealand USD, I already did it. You'll be able to watch it again. Rest Australia USD Swiss franc, also you'll be able to watch it, and USD Canadian also we did it. That's why Australia New Zealand, Australia New Zealand. At this moment, price inside of this accumulation, this range. Globally, it is not the best place to trade, because price inside between 2 key levels here and here, and it is not the best place to trade. I would wait only after breakout of this range on lower time frame. Only after that I would try to trade. Only breakout down or up, I would follow that. Nasdaq. About Nasdaq, a huge possibility Nasdaq will do a pullback, but Nasdaq to the moon. Only deep pullback, you just open entry. Example here, powerful key level, as you can see here, first breakout uprise. If there would be a pullback at least into this area, just buy. System printed huge amount of money, that's why all indexes will skyrocket. Also, my friends, at this moment I have a special promotion for you. If you want to join our VIP Signal service for free, what should you do? You can open an account with my trustful broker partner, and get our signals for free only when you open a real account and trade on that broker. About link on that broker, you can get into in comments. About conditions, what should you do to get that? You can open our